Hello and welcome to Retro Bikes Dublin. Today we're looking at a 49cc Velo Solex from 2013, would you believe? It's the very last of them. We have French documentation with it, so it could be registered if you so please, or you can ride it without a plate on it. Yeah, we have a lot of people with preference of these kind of hybrid bikes. They like to ride them in the cycle lanes, or do whatever they want with them. That's up to them. You can register it if you like. And I'll just show you that paperwork here now. That's the date of first registration, and this is all the paperwork with it that we have. So the French paperwork. So overall the bike is in very nice condition. It's got very low mileage on it, and you can see here engine and everything like that, all very good. Chrome wheels are good as well. Overall, I mean, it's a little bicycle with an engine on it at the end of the day. We've got nice little side panniers on it. Looks like some sort of a pump, original pump with it as well. Around the back, all the way around. I'll make note of anything that needs to make note of. Seat is all in good condition. Everything here working. We have the release here for the engine. All very, very nice. Nothing really else to say there. Your little unique exhaust. But that's it, the 2013 Velo Solex 50 with French papers. Let's go for a little ride. Okay, unfortunately the weather has turned against us, and so we're continuing to go just in the rain. But this just shows, you know, these videos are really for just to show that the bike is working. Anyway, this is the Velo Solex. So I'm going to show you how this works. You basically go up and release the engine onto the wheel, and you get going. So I should get the main stand up and get going. And what you do is then, there is a bit of a knack to it which I don't really have, but you release the engine and there you are, and away we go. Now I'm not going to do a proper big trip out on it, because well, there's no real point, is there? So it's definitely the best Velo Solex I've ever seen going. Personally, I've never seen one go as nicely as this, really, which is go at all. So you just kind of keep pedaling it to keep it going. That's why you kind of hear the because I've stopped pedaling. But essentially that's kind of it. That's it. And then I'll go back in and show you how to turn it off. Getting a bit of an overdrive here. Brakes working. And away we go. So that's it. That's all it is. That's a little Velo Solex 50 for you. People use them in the bike lanes all the time. Just kind of help you go easier to cycle. And then if you want to shut it off, you I'll bring it to a stop first, and then show you. Basically just pull in this lever here on the right hand side and pull it towards you, and that's it. And then you lock your engine back up, and then your wheels are free to cycle again. So that's been it, the Velo Solex 50. If you have enjoyed the video, please do leave a like, comment and subscribe. And if you do want to reach out to us, it's at Retro Bikes Dublin for Facebook and Instagram. And our official website is www.retrobikesdublin.com. Thanks for watching.